Hi, I'm Mr. Russell, Principal Teacher of Mathematics at St Mungo's Academy.
What sort of things would be covered in the maths for the first years?
Usually in first year we have for BGE, that's first, second, third year, we have a block system, so we get 8 blocks that we try and cover between first to third year that prepares young people for moving on with maths in the senior phase. In first year we put a lot of focus on number and algebra, so all of block 1, which will take up to about November, December of first year, revolves a lot around number work, which includes a bit of place value, a bit of rounding and estimating, the main 4 operations in maths, adding, subtracting, multiplication and division, and then we move on to do things like square numbers and integers. Once you move on into the second block, which usually comes after Christmas, we look more towards algebra, we look at simplifying, we look at distributive law, which is using brackets, we look at solving equations and things like that. Within that we do an awful lot of assessing, so we do small assessments regularly that can be done through the iPad after the digital rollout, but we can also then do bigger block assessments and homework to do a bit of assessment and see how everyone's getting on.
What sort of assistance can pupils receive if they need help, and how can they get help?
I suppose first of all I need to think that the teachers within the maths department are all very approachable, so young people, we try and make it as approachable as we try and make ourselves as approachable as possible, so that young people feel they can come to us if they are having a bit of a problem and they can ask questions either within the class or after class when they need to. We have also put a lot of focus on digital learning, particularly this year now that we do have iPads for all young people, so things like using Microsoft Teams, we have young people able to ask questions, young people able to get the help they need and be pointed in the right direction for where they can get any extra help if they need extra questions, if they need extra support through that.
Why should people pick maths beyond 4th year?
Well, obviously I'm going to talk about the importance of maths for a start. It is a core subject within the school and within all schools in Scotland. Beyond 4th year, the main reason, first of all I would say that beyond 4th year the main reason to pick maths is because you're interested in it, or in my case you love it and you want to understand things a bit better. You're intrigued by logic and understanding, and you want to do a bit of problem solving, a bit of get a bit more content and a bit more understanding of the processes in maths. Other than that, it's a gateway subject. If you intend to go on to do most courses, you will need some level of maths education, and particularly if you want to go into any of the big STEM fields, if you want to look into engineering, if you want to look into maths, if you want to look into finance or accounting, when you leave school, then it's a requirement that you need to have a strong understanding of maths at that sort of National 5 higher, advanced higher level.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks so much.